Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make souffle egg full guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and prepare buttered ramekins with a light dusting of sugar or flour. I'll walk you through whipping meringue, making a silky base, and folding for lofty rise. Expect friendly tips on timing, oven tricks, and common fixes so you can bake a stable, tender, whip egg whites to medium stiff peaks while keeping your bowl and tools spotless and dry to ensure best volume. I'll explain how to test peaks, when to add sugar, and how to fold 1/3 of the meringue into the base before combining gently. You'll hear cues for texture and look that indicate success, plus short troubleshooting if the mixture looks under or over-whipped. Bake soufflés in the center of the oven on a preheated tray and resist opening the door for at least the first 2/3 of the bake. I'll share visual signs for doneness, how to adjust baking time for larger or smaller ramekins, and tips to prevent sinking. We'll also cover quick serving ideas and how to reheat slightly collapsed soufflés for best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.